You arrive after a very long wait. Nearly 2 years have passed inside the safety of your mother's body. Seasons changed. Rains came and went. The herd traveled miles across the savannah while you grew, slowly, patiently, preparing for a world you've never seen. Now, the moment finally comes. Beneath a wide African sky, your mother, huge, steady, and calm, pauses. The ground is warm. The grass is dry and golden. The herd gathers quietly around her. You are about to be born. A giant welcomes something small. With a final effort, your mother brings you into the world. You fall gently onto the earth, small compared to her, but already massive by most standards. Your body is round and soft. Your skin is wrinkled and warm. Your ears droop. Your trunk lies curled beneath you, unfamiliar and confusing. You are a baby elephant, and the world is very big. First breath, first sound. Air rushes into your lungs for the first time. You gasp. Huh! You sneeze. You let out a tiny trumpet, high-pitched and shaky. It surprises you as much as it surprises everyone else. The herd responds immediately. Low rumbles roll through the ground. Aunts and sisters step closer. Trunks reach out to touch you, smell you, reassure you. You are not alone. You never will be. Learning to stand. But now comes the hardest part. You try to stand. Your legs wobble beneath you, unsure of their purpose. You push up, then fall. The ground feels harder than you expected. Gravity feels unfair. You try again. Your oversized head pulls you forward. Your feet slide. Your trunk swings wildly, not yet something you know how to control. You fall once more. But no one rushes you. Your mother stays close, calm and patient, her massive legs forming a shelter around you. Up you go. At last you rise, shaking, leaning, barely balanced. You stand on all four legs for the first time. It's not graceful, it's not steady, but it's enough. You've done something remarkable. The herd seems to approve. Soft rumbles vibrate through the air, a low, comforting chorus that you feel more than hear. You sway slightly, but you stay upright. Staying close. You take your first steps. They're small and uncertain. Each one feels like an experiment. You walk directly beneath your mother's belly, brushing against her legs, pressing close for safety. She moves carefully now, adjusting her pace to yours. Her shadow covers you. Her presence grounds you. Everywhere she goes, you follow. Discovering the world. The savanna stretches out around you in soft beiges and gentle greens. Tall grass waves in the distance. Birds pass overhead. Insects buzz near your feet. Everything is new. You reach out with your trunk, grabbing at nothing, then grass, then your own leg by accident. The world responds in unexpected ways. Sometimes you stumble. Sometimes you bump into your mother. Sometimes you stop just to look. Always watching. But the herd never relaxes. Even in this peaceful moment, danger exists. Shapes move at the edge of the scene. Abstract, dark silhouettes hinting at predators watching from afar. Lions, hyenas, threats you don't understand yet. The adults do. Without panic, the herd shifts. They move closer together. The circle of safety. Slowly, deliberately, the elephants form a circle. Large bodies turn outward. Tusks point away from the center. Tails flick. Ears spread wide. You are guided gently inward. At the center of the circle, you are surrounded by warmth, strength, and family. The predators remain only shapes, kept distant, kept unreal. Nothing reaches you. This is how elephants protect their young. Learning through touch. Inside the safety of the herd, you explore again. Trunks brush against you, light taps, reassuring nudges. You lean into them instinctively. You learn their textures, their smells, their warmth. Every touch teaches you something. Every sound calms you. You are learning what it means to belong. A gentle beginning. As the day wears on, your movements grow slightly steadier. You still wobble, you still trip, but you stand back up every time. Your mother walks slowly ahead, and you follow, one careful step after another, tucked safely beneath her watchful gaze. This is just the beginning. A long road ahead. You will grow fast. One day, your legs will be strong. Your trunk will obey you. Your ears will fan the heat away. You will remember none of this, but it matters all the same. Small but protected. Right now, you are small, vulnerable, still learning how to exist. But you are surrounded by giants who care deeply about your survival, and that makes all the difference. The first days. As the sun lowers, the savanna glows softly. You walk close to your mother, bumping gently against her legs, eyes wide, head oversized, movements clumsy but determined. You have survived your first challenge. Standing, walking, belonging. For a baby elephant, that's more than enough. For today.